wondered if kids could unlock the magic of reading faster than ever before? Brace yourself as we're about to dive into the mind-boggling revelation straight from the future. And trust me, you won't want to miss this. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence steps in to give your kids a helping hand with their learning journey. Well, guess what? According to none other than the tech mogul himself, Bill Gates, the future might be just around the corner. So get this. Bill Gates, the billionaire co-founder of Microsoft, dropped a bombshell idea during a recent talk. He spilled the beans that AI chatbots are gearing up to become the ultimate study buddies for your kids. We're talking about AI chatbots swapping into supercharged reading skills and take writing prowess to a whole new level, all in a mere 18 months. Yes, you heard that right. Picture this. Your child, armed with an AI tutor who's just as skilled as human mentor. Bill Gates is totally convinced that these AI chatbots are going places, and by places, he means right into your child's learning journey. Bill Gates boldly claims that these AI whizzes are on a trajectory match up to human tutors in terms of teaching effectiveness. In fact, he's so confident that he mentioned that AIs will get to the ability to be as good a tutor as any human ever could. Now, I know you might be wondering, how is all of these even possible? Well, the secret sauce is AI's knack for adapting, learning, and evolving. Just imagine the possibilities. Your child could have a personalized learning experience tailored to their unique needs 24/7. And you know what that means, right? It means that your little learners could have a helping hand not only during homework hours, but also during those tough times when a tricky concept just won't click. And you wouldn't believe how far these AI chatbots come in just a short span of time. You might have heard of AI chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard. These bad boys have been evolving at lightning speed over the last few months. And guess what? They're not just keeping up with us humans. They're actually giving us a run for our money when it comes to certain standardized tests. Now, that's what I call a tech evolution. But hold on to your hats, because this incredible growth isn't just about sparking excitement. It's also triggered some curious debates about the potential downsides. It's like a roller coaster ride of possibilities and concerns. And Bill Gates himself is on the team impressed. According to Bill Gates, today's chatbots are like the Shakespeares of the digital world. They've got this mind-blowing fluency when it comes to reading and writing. And guess what? This superpower is about to change the game for students around the globe. Imagine having a chatbot as your own personal reading guru. These AI sidekicks are gearing up to assist you in a way that technology has never pulled off before. Bill Gates predicts that their initial magic touch will be in the reading department. They're all set to become your trusty reading research assistant, guiding you through the world of words like never before. But hey, that's not all. Brace yourself for a futuristic twist. These chatbots are also here to revolutionize the way we write. Yes, you heard that right. They're going to be your writing companions, giving you feedback that's so on point, it's like having your writing coach available 24/7. Additionally, it's no secret that guiding a computer to teach writing has posed a quite challenge, as pointed out by Bill Gates. You know, when educators assess essays, they're on the hunt for things like how the story flows and how clear the writing is. These are pretty complex tasks for a machine to master, as they involve some serious brain power, what Gates calls a highly cognitive exercise. It's like teaching a dog to fetch a ball while balancing on a tightrope. Not an easy feat. Bill Gates emphasized that this challenge stems from the fact that writing isn't just about stringing words together. It's about crafting a narrative that flows seamlessly, making sure every sentence shines with clarity. Now imagine trying to code all that finesse into a computer program. Talk about a tough nut to crack. But here's something really cool. Advocates are saying that things change a lot because AI chatbots can actually understand and copy human-like language. Imagine this. AI chatbots aren't just good at giving us information anymore. They're becoming masters of mimicking human language. Yes, you heard that right. The way AI chatbots understand and recreate human-like language is taking things to a whole new level. And trust me, it's pretty mind-blowing stuff. We've got a noteworthy example here. You might have heard of Kevin Rose, the tech whiz over at the New York Times. He spilled the beans about his personal experience with AI chatbots. And here's the scoop. Kevin found an ingenious way to elevate his writing game using AI. He harnessed the power of AI chatbots, like our friend ChatGPT, to give his writing a boost. How, you ask? Well, these AI wizards are lightning fast when it comes to searching through style guides online. Imagine having an AI buddy who can skim through heaps of style guides in the blink of an eye. Moreover, some really smart folks in the academic world have been looking into chatbots and how they're making their mark in the field. Picture this: chatbots that can sum up long paragraphs and give you pointers on your writing. Pretty impressive, right? Imagine getting feedback on your essays without having to wait for your teacher's red pen. These chatbots are like the virtual writing buddies we've always wished for. But hold on a second, because though some brainy academics have a word of caution, they're telling us that these chatbots are still a work in progress. Yes, they might unintentionally slip in some big mistakes or wrong information. And you know what? They're onto something. Before these chatbots can become your ultimate study sidekick, they need a serious upgrade in understanding and mimicking human language. And Bill Gates has thought about this. He's dropping knowledge bombs and telling us that AI needs to step up its game in reading and recreating human language. He's got a point. You see, the AI needs to feel more like a real human tutor, motivating you and me to tackle those tough lessons. And that's just the beginning. Now, you might think that when it comes to AI, math would be a walk in the park for those brainy chatbots, right? But hold on to your hats, because it turns out that chatbots might just be swapping their math books for English literature. You see, it's a bit surprising that chatbots are more likely to become novelists than mathematicians. Why, you ask? Well, let me break it down for you. While algebra and calculus play a massive role in shaping AI technology, it's not the same when it comes to chatbots. These digital pals, trained on a massive amount of data, can easily tackle reading and writing tasks. Give them a sentence or a paragraph, and they'll whip up something that might even give Shakespeare a run for his money. But now, here comes the twist. When faced with a tricky math problem, chatbots might fumble a bit. You see, if the solution to a math equation already exists within their training data, they can restate that answer for you. Easy peasy, right? But when it comes to cooking up their own math solutions, things get a tad more complicated. So Bill Gates has been pondering a fascinating questions that we might have wondered about too. Why can't AI chatbots tackle basic math problems? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, Bill Gates has been having chats with the brilliant minds behind Microsoft's AI development. He's been asking them why those chatbots we interact with daily can't simply crunch numbers or multiply figures. And the answer is intriguing. AI needs to up its reasoning game to handle the complexities of mathematical calculations. Now, I know what you're thinking. How long until we get AI that can do our math homework? Bill Gates is pretty optimistic about it, saying that within a couple of years, we could witness a significant improvement in this technology. Imagine that. This advancement could potentially revolutionize the way we learn, especially for those who can't easily afford pricey private tutors. But hey, don't expect this to be all rainbows and unicorns. Sure, we've got a free version of ChatGPT in Bing right now, but the folks over at ChatGPT introduced a subscription plan, ChatGPT Plus, priced at $20 per month back in February. It's a step towards a more enhanced experience, but Bill Gates emphasizes that it won't be entirely free. Still, here's the exciting part. According to Bill Gates, this AI-powered tutoring won't burn a hole in your pocket like a traditional one-on-one tutoring with human instructors. He's calling it a leveler, and I must say that's a pretty cool concept. access to a tutor that adapts to your learning journey and remembers everything you've covered without the hefty cost. Sign me up. As we end this exciting adventure, don't forget to stay curious and excited about amazing technology. What do you think about the future of education? How do you imagine technology changing how we learn? Share your thoughts down below, and remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our cool new videos. Until next time, keep loving the incredible things technology brings.